Verizon App Manager automatically downloads unwanted apps, also called bloatware, on Verizon Android phones. This consumes storage, battery, and data. As of 2025, uninstalling is difficult, but disabling it is easy and effective. To disable VAM, go to Settings, Apps, Verizon App Manager. Tap Disable. Disabling revokes permissions and halts downloads, keeping your phone clean without system instability. Disabling VAM improves phone performance and saves storage space. After disabling, monitor your phone for any changes and report issues to Verizon or the FCC if problems arise. Consider using alternative app sources like the Google Play Store directly. Although disabling VAM works, note that Verizon might still pre-install other apps. Future Android updates may provide better control over pre-installed apps. While lawsuits and pressure are making carriers reconsider bloatware, VAM removal might depend on future Android versions or Verizon policy changes. If you want to remove the app entirely and have the technical expertise, you can research ADB, but proceed with caution. Always prioritize disabling for ease and safety.